Minasan konnichiwa. Again, let us study about the joshi or particles in Minano Nihongo about particle wa. Okay po? So let us know first the particle wa used for the sentence topic. For example, in our grammar notes, so noun wa, noun to des. O, ibig sabihin, siya po ang topic ng sentence. For example, watashi wa maikira desu. Watashi wa, okay. Next is sakura wa, kirei desu. New York wa, okay, ima nanji desu ka? And also nichiyobi wa tomodachi to narae ikimashita. Okay? So that is the topic of the sentence in short. Okay po? Sa particle mo naman, next is mo. In English, this is also, no? Maria sang mo, Brazilian gene. So first, there is a first sentence and then same topic. For example, Tanaka sang, eto, Rose sang wa, ito, Brazilian Gindes, and then Maria Sangmo, Brazilian Gindes. Always po na ang meaning po niyaan is also. Okay po? For example, ni Mutsumo, onegai shimasu. Okay? Duchira mo, suki desu. No? Next is the use of interrogative, just like doko, where, nani, and then dare mo. Okay? Dare. Okay? So if you put doko mo, okay, nani mo, dare mo. For example, doko mo, I don't go anywhere. So this is the interrogative, particle mo, and negative of verb, either it is present or past. Okay? Nani mo, so I don't do anything. For example, I don't eat anything. Nani mo, tabimasen deshita. Okay? Dare mo, okay, interrogative ulit, and also mo, and imasen deshita. Okay po? So, next natin is the particle no. So what is the particle no? So this is the noun wa, no, noun to des. So either it is organization you belong or what kind of, or the ownership or possessive of one things. And also this is also a noun is modified the noun to. Okay? So for example, ano ito wa? I am sino? Mirasan des. Okay? So Mirasan is belong to I am sino company. Computer, no? Hondes. What kind of? Computer, no? Hondes. It's what kind of phone? So, is a computer Hondes. Sorry, wa? Possessive? Watashi no kasa des. So, my kasa. Okay? Nihon no jidosha des. What kind of jidosha or kuma? So, this Nihon no, kuma des. So, this is the country and the product of that country. Okay? Kinono ban, so modify one, noun 1 and noun 2. Again, the tsukuen no ueni shashin ga arimasu. So this is the the noun and then the position. Before position, the particle no. Okay? Kono kanji no yomikata wo oshite kudasai. Okay? Indonesia no bando kara kimashita. Okay? Kaban no, kono kaban wa sato-san no des. Possessive ulit. Okay, Mosekoshi, Okinawa, arimasen ka. So there's an adjective, no wa, and asking for arimasen ka.